welcome. Happy Monday. Okay, you guys, just like we did Ethereum, we are going to do a rundown of Dogecoin today. And this coin is an altcoin that was made popular from these Bay Area, Silicon Valley software developers who created this altcoin as a joke. They thought it was so funny, all the hype of all these altcoins that were gaining momentum in the crypto sphere, that they decided to create an altcoin based off the popular meme from I think 2013, based off the Shiba Inu type of breed of dog from Japan. This meme, this is the face that the dog was making. It's just a silly meme that made its way viral on the internet. So they created this altcoin, and it's gained a lot of popularity recently because it has its own kind of cult following. It kind of mimics the fact that this online community that shares memes also can share this altcoin together, and it kind of creates a group and community. Also, Elon Musk has also talked about it a lot, so it's gained popularity that way. This coin originally, remember, was created as a joke. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about Dogecoin. And again, this video is just for entertainment and fun, and everything from this video is taken from the Dogecoin website. So again, this is like my Ethereum video. This is what Dogecoin wants you to know about Dogecoin based off their own website. So when you open up the website, you'll see here it says 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. That's the dog. So again, they are not claiming to be this progressive blockchain that is entirely secure like Bitcoin. So keep that in mind as well. So here it has get started, the source. Let's go ahead and go on their website. Also, I put on there, what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. So I put down here, Shiba Inus is a dog breed, and they are from Japan. They're considered the oldest and smallest of Japan's dogs. And the Shiba Inu is a superb hunting dog, and the ancestors of the breed were the hardiest survivors of Japan's mountainous regions. So I actually looked at this dog because I thought, oh my gosh, I want one. But I do know they are hunting dogs, and I read online that they seem like they might bite a little bit, be a little snippy, but maybe that's just their attitude, and that represents the symbol of Dogecoin too. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the fun and friendly internet currency. So I'm always mindful when people are using those buzzwords like we're friendly, we're fun. It kind of just makes you think, okay, what are they really trying to sell here? Dogecoin sets itself apart from other digital currencies with an amazing, vibrant community made up of friendly folks just like you. So again, this is to contrast with Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is probably, I don't know what it is right now. I know the market was down today, but it was going for once at like $50,000 per coin. Dogecoin tries to appeal to the consumers by being more attainable. The everyday folk can have a whole Dogecoin. So it's more, it's trying to appeal more to the masses, to the everyday person who doesn't have billions in the bank. What's with Dogecoin and the dog? Doge is our fun, friendly mascot. The Shiba Inu is a Japanese breed of dog that was popularized as an online meme and represents Dogecoin. Again, this is the down to earth. We're friendly, we're fun, we're so cute with our little meme dog, okay? Let's go ahead and keep going. Here they have a screenshot of what your wallet would look like on your phone. So it says, choose your wallet. They're trying to make this easy for you. So just kind of making it easy so that you can get in the game. They have a little tutorial with an image here to show you. Choose your wallet. You get to pick your own wallet selection. How neat is that? Everyone loves customization. That is a part of a marketing strategy too. Configure your wallet. You can configure your wallet and get some Dogecoin. They're making it as simple as 1, 2, 3. Be wary. There are numerous amounts of ways to get Dogecoin. You can buy them, trade for them, get tipped, mine them, and more. They are surprisingly endless. So this is where Dogecoin differs from, say, Bitcoin. There's no market cap. It's infinite. There can be millions of Dogecoin produced every day, okay? So this is the problem that we're having right now with the American currency, is that we're printing more money, which is causing inflation. Remember, that loses the value the more you can multiply it. I put down here the copyright because it says the copyright is the Dogecoin Project 2021. And if you notice, all these cryptocurrencies, they try to be very mysterious in who creates them. So here it says created by Jackson Palmer and Shibatoshi Nakamoto. So again, another pseudonym playing on Bitcoin's founder. Pseudonym. And if you notice, it says website designed by, and there's a Reddit link. So again, that's going back to the Reddit community, the meme community, this community online that is going to band together because it's just everyday Joes is kind of what they want to sell you. Here, Christine Ricks is the logo by. And if you look at her, she's actually a graphic artist and she kind of has a peculiar story. So let's keep diving. I went to Jackson Palmer's website. He's the creator, the original creator. It says product and data geek based in San Francisco. And you'll notice right here, it says important message. I do not maintain public social media profiles or an online presence outside of this website, jackson.com, where this screenshot was taken. The currently parked Jackson handle on Twitter and private Facebook, Instagram accounts. If you come across any other account using my name on a social media platform, please report it to the platform as a scam. Additionally, I have not been involved with the Dogecoin project or the cryptocurrency space in many years. I do not have any thoughts to share on these topics. Again, that is very interesting because the creators, either they want to separate themselves from creating the cryptocurrency or they want to be very elusive and they kind of want to hide their identity, which I wonder why you would want to hide if you weren't doing anything wrong. I do understand that he probably did cash out and make a lot of money on his cryptocurrency by having as many shares as he wants as the creator of Dogecoin, but it's very interesting. So let's keep diving. Here we go to the Twitter that is linked up with this pseudonym, Shibatoshi Nakamoto. Again, Nakamoto is the same from Bitcoin. It means intelligence. It's from Japanese. So creator of Dogecoin, no longer on project. Interesting. I put this tweet here. It says, my ask of the community is to make an intentional effort to keep it this way. Dogecoin is not about politics, race, religion, gender, class warfare, etc. It's about a silly Shiba on a coin. Doges are kind, loyal, sweet, and pure. Be like the Doge. Again, I'm always skeptical when people are saying, I'm honest, I'm friendly, I'm fun, I'm sweet, I'm loyal, I'm pure. I'm not sure about you guys, but whenever someone is kind of oversharing that they have these moral qualities that everyone hopes that they find in their friends and family, it makes you wonder a little bit, what is really going on here? Let's keep diving. Okay, so here's the Reddit profile that has the creator. You can see here, this is the Reddit dogecoin.com update. So you can understand that this is a grassroots Reddit kind of deal here. Same with GameStop. This is the same kind of grassroots. We're going to go onto Reddit and kind of make it our thing. Here, Christine Ricks, she's the designer, developer, and artist based in Northern California. And this is from christinemix.com. So it says, I've built a fashion discovery platform, worked for Adobe, done my own bootstrap startup, and drawn something that went to space. See my work, read my resume, or find out more about me. Let's find out about her. Okay, so we're going to go to Tendermint. This is something that she created. Now, she also created the logo for Dogecoin. Now, you guys know there are thousands of graphic artists out there in the world, so maybe there's kind of a relationship here with Tendermint and Dogecoin. Let's keep reading. Satoshi created a spark with Bitcoin, but the future is in Tendermint. Research in decentralized consensus algorithms has been in progress since the early 80s. Today, we have the ubiquitous and powerful computing network to run a decentralized blockchain ledger. And thanks to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency community, all the pieces are in place to redefine the nature of finance. Okay, so I didn't do a deep dive on Tendermint yet, but I would be interested to see what that is all about as well. Again, she is the same graphic artist for Tendermint and the same graphic artist for the Dogecoin symbol and logo here. Okay, here's another tweet that I wanted to share. It says, in my opinion, there should be no war between Bitcoin and Doge. They can coexist and help each other and have done so in the past, which is a much smarter way to behave. The only war should be against the jerks, liars, scammers, ding, 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 and toxicity that pollutes the entire place. Interesting. Again, I am skeptical of people who try to say and try to morally try to say that they are somehow upstaging another cryptocurrency because they have moral values. Again, these are cryptocurrency. It's an it's a AI currency, so it cannot have moral values. It's AI. It doesn't have human souls like we do, where we can discern on what's morally just in our own opinion. So keep that in mind. Dogecoin. Doge is a cryptocurrency created by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system as a joke. Keyword, joke, making fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies at the time. Dogecoin features the face of Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme as its logo and namesake. It was introduced on December 6, 2013, and quickly developed into its own online community, reaching a market capitalization of $85 gazillion on May 5th, 2021. Let's keep going. So this is also taken from Wikipedia. I just want to point out some of the highlights. So this is Billy Marcus. He worked for IBM and also Adobe. Was Jackson Palmer. They banded together. They created this peer-to-peer digital currency that could reach a broader demographic than Bitcoin. So they wanted to distance themselves from the controversial history of other coins, and Dogecoin was officially launched on December 6, 2013. So there were over 1 million visitors to Dogecoin. Again, this is that grassroots online community, Reddit, meme sphere, probably the same kind of GameStop kind of channel online. Also, it said that Palmer is credited with making the idea a reality. At the time, he was a member of the Adobe Systems marketing department in Sydney. Palmer had purchased the domain dogecoin.com and added a splash screen which featured the coin's logo and scattered Comic Sans text. Marcus reached out to Palmer after seeing the site and started efforts to develop the currency. Marcus had designed Dogecoin's protocol based on existing cryptocurrencies, Lucky Coin and Litecoin, which use script technology in their proof of work algorithm. Again, this is different than the secure blockchain that Bitcoin is and is so revolutionary. This is a script technology which has been around for a long time. Is it as secure? It depends on the script, but my guesses are the whole point is Bitcoin is going to have that unique proof of work blockchain that works by itself for itself. The use of script means that miners cannot use SHA-256 Bitcoin mining equipment and instead must use dedicated FPGA and ASIC devices for mining, which are known to be more complex to produce. Again, this is kind of their autonomous control over that currency. Let's keep reading. On December 19th, 2013, Dogecoin jumped nearly 300% in value in 72 hours, rising all the way up to that amount there with a volume of billions of Dogecoins per day. So the growth occurred during a time when Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies were reeling from China's decision to forbid Chinese banks from investing into the Bitcoin economy. 3 days later, Dogecoin experienced its first major crash by dropping to 80% due to this event and large mining pools exploiting the small amount of computing power required at the time to mine Dogecoin. Again, this is very key, folks. It says it's exploiting the small amount of computing power required at the time to mine Dogecoin. Okay, let's keep reading. On December 25th, 2013, the first major theft of Dogecoin occurred when millions of coins were stolen during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet platform Doge Wallet. Again, this is not to be confused with a secure blockchain like Bitcoin. This is completely different. Now, if you want my own opinion right now, a quick analysis, Dogecoin is just like those in-app purchase store apps that you have on your iPhone, like that landscape gardening app where you have to purchase things to have a better rose garden, like The Sims. It's like those things. You have to purchase this fake money in a video game in order for it to do things. So when you're buying Dogecoin, think of it in that matter, because that's the same kind of level of security that we're dealing with. Now, they might be a little more advanced, but I just want to show that simple comparison to the video games and those in-app purchases of buying coins, buying money, buying rewards, just because to show you the differences between a Bitcoin and blockchain. Now, I obviously do not have access to the script of Dogecoin, so it might be extremely secure, but I want you to think of that analogy and just do your due diligence. Okay, the hacker gained access to the platform's file system and modified its send receive page to send any and all coins to a static address. This hacking incident spiked tweets about Dogecoin, making it the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time. Although it was in reference to a negative event to help those who lost funds on Doge wallet after its breach, the Dogecoin community started an initiative named Save Dogemas to help donate coins to those who had them stolen. Again, this is very interesting because their whole thing is they want to donate Dogecoins to certain efforts. But be mindful, if someone is being a little too charitable and it seems a little disingenuous, just keep that in mind. That is this a marketing ploy? Approximately 1 month later, enough money was donated to cover all the coins that were stolen. Again, I want to tell you guys that the difference between Dogecoin 2 is that it can be infinite. It doesn't have a cap. You can print more Dogecoin. So how do we know if the creators of Dogecoin didn't just print a bunch of Dogecoin to make up and donate this Dogecoin that was lost, aka hacked, because they have a weak system? Keep that in mind. There are people who are in power of these scripts, of these softwares, of these algorithms, of these AI. They can manipulate it, just like what the whole point of cryptocurrency is trying to do, is trying to stop the manipulation. Some of these altcoins may actually be manipulating it more than you think. Also, let's keep reading. Okay, so the volume of Dogecoin, it's gaining traction. In 2015, Palmer announced plans to make extended leave of absence from the cryptocurrency community. Interesting. And during 2017 to 2018, cryptocurrency bubble Dogecoin briefly reached a peak of 0.017 coin on January 7th, 2018, putting its total market capitalization near USD 2 billion. In July 2020, the price of Dogecoin spiked during a TikTok trend, aiming to get the coin's price to $1. So again, this currency is all being manipulated with not only the masters of this AI, but the Reddit community, the TikTok community, the online community, fueling this altcoin as the be-all altcoin for the everyday citizen. But if it doesn't have any value, it doesn't have any value, and people may lose money. So keep that in mind. Okay, Elon Musk and the GameStop short squeeze. Exactly what I talked about earlier. Twitter, you have some celebrities talking about on Twitter. Again, also people be mindful that these celebrities are getting kickbacks. They're getting paid for certain ads that they do, certain promotions. So let's say the masters of Dogecoin are multi-billionaires and now they're stepping away because it might have been something kind of scammy. They can pay celebrities to say, hey, let's market that Dogecoin is legit. I'm going to pay you to tweet this for me. And they'll pay someone to tweet about Dogecoin. Excuse me. In April 2021, Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies surged, and it stimulated in part by the direct listing for cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. So kind of like they went public. You're now on Coinbase, come buy Dogecoin. So on April 14th, although the platform did not provide trading of Dogecoin, you cannot trade Dogecoin, and a lot of people obviously have not done transactions in Dogecoin either. Okay, let's keep reading. So Dogecoin contributed to an outage in the trading platform Robinhood cryptocurrency system on April 15th, caused by an unprecedented demand and prompted concerns from experts of a nearing speculative bubble in the cryptocurrency market. So anytime there's bubbles in the market, it's just a sign that things are being manipulated up and down. It's very volatile in the crypto sphere because it's so new and it can be controlled by the certain masters of the altcoins. So Elon Musk appearance, he said that Dogecoin was a joke, I believe. Or he was making jokes about it on SNL. So then it took some people dumped it. He also recently has talked about getting rid of crypto because he doesn't like that it causes so much energy waste. Okay, SpaceX announced a rideshare mission to the moon completely funded by Dogecoin. Again, remember, these are kind of publicity ploys. They're marketing ploys. They don't hold any real merit. They just want to get the headline on the media that day, okay? And so if people, especially if a large community on Reddit is going to say, oh, there are people, they relate to us, these are our masters, our gods, then it's just going to have fuel that kind of like underdog teamwork when it's just kind of a house of cards. Keep that in mind. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, here we have Dogecoin and an altcoin with many users. Mainstream commercial applications of the currency have gained traction on the internet, blah, blah, blah. Remember, Dogecoin has also been used to try to sell a house. It has been used in all of the more illicit industries. Reddit, Twitch, again, this is that same community access to those people. Okay, the currency supply. Remember I said that it's infinite. So there is no implemented hard cap on the total supply of Dogecoins, which means it can lose value really easily. Okay, let's keep going. Dogecoin's implementation differs from Litecoin by several parameters. Dogecoin's block time is 1 minute as opposed to Litecoin's 2.5 minutes. Several cases of people using their employers or universities' computers to mine Dogecoin have been discovered. Okay, again, this is a problem with not only Dogecoin, but every crypto coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these things. All of these coins requires so much computing processing that it is very hard to keep up with demand. It is going to take a lot of power, a lot of data storage, and all of those little nuances have not been ironed out yet. So there may be a problem for crypto in the future. Here's some criticism. Dogecoin's origin as a joke made it difficult for it to be taken seriously by mainstream media and financial experts. The cryptocurrency has had a long but problematic history of scams. It has been described as a pyramid scheme where those who got in early on Bitcoin have a huge financial incentive to draw in others by any means necessary. So this is kind of like crypto. Everyone wants everyone to join because it's going to raise. The more people you have in something, the prices are going to raise. But are you buying that soda down the street with cryptocurrency right now? No, you're not. So just keep that in mind that this is the future and you're betting on the future. So also be wary of all of these altcoins. Remember, AI it does have a master and it can be manipulated by the master, okay? Just because it has a pseudonym doesn't mean that there's not a person behind these altcoins. A lot of people probably, oh, this is from her, I'm sorry, I wanna go back to that graphic artist website. Excuse me. It says a lot of people probably arrive on this site because I drew the Dogecoin logo. I do not currently hold any Dogecoin or participate in the cryptocurrency space. I do not recommend contacting me about Dogecoin. Interesting. So maybe she was probably an early adopter, sold out, has millions. I think on her website too, that it says she lives kind of in the country now, raising animals with her husband or partner or significant other. Anyway, long story short, I find it very interesting that everyone that was in the beginning and the creators of this whole Dogecoin crypto altcoins are now trying to separate and remove themselves from it. Why? Why would they be doing that? Why would they be separating themselves from something that is so revolutionary and something that they want everyone to join? And it really is the quote unquote, the future. Ponder on that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that little tidbit. Why would so many people want to separate themselves from cryptocurrency? Let's discuss down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday and I'll see you soon. Bye.